Screen is shared, right? Okay, so we'll complete this application today.
Yeah. So, yes.
Okay, so yesterday we tried to install agent, right? But in our
Yes,
case, it got failed.
that
So
can.
here today I just installed agent on this machine. Okay, and it got succeeded. Let me filter out. So it will take some time to come online. It did come online. Okay, in the meantime, if you check here, if you enable this option, like in the integration section, you can see repository, OS and application monitoring configured. You will get the option like this. Okay. And also service discovery, it's in configured. If both are in configured state, then we can use the options here in the applications, because both applications as well as services we can monitor here. Okay, so telegraph agent, using that you can monitor the application using the agent and manage STMP services. Specific services you can monitor if required. Okay, then next is manage applications. Not all the applications, but only specific applications you can manage, because as of now we have some application listed out in our vCenter, right? If I select any object here, let me select an virtual machine. Okay. Which one? The same virtual machine which I selected. Okay.
01.
Okay, so this virtual machine is here, right? If you go here, you can find assign application definition.
Okay.
But as of now, from our end, VMware Aria application operations for logs, VMware Aria operations application, these both are like available. We didn't have any other applications which has been created here. Okay, that is the reason. See, if you go here, you can find only some specific applications. Right, it got hanged. Okay, here you can find only applications related to our vSphere components, not more than that, right? We don't have any other third-party applications. But in productions, you'll be getting some third-party applications here as well. Okay. So let's try to complete this one first. Okay, see here. Agent is running a product managed. You have to get this message. Product managed agent. content upgrade, success, powered on, agent version, then collection status, everything has been updated here.
Okay.
If you select this VM, you'll have you get the option to go to details.
Photo detail. Okay.
Here you can uninstall the agent, update the agent, start, stop the agent here,
Okay. Okay.
and then go to details. These are the options available. Okay.
Mhm.
Here you can have the option to activate service. Okay. It will ask you like which activate which service you need to activate. So here by default, these are the options available. Suppose if I want to do the ping check, yes, I can do. So as of now, if I want to monitor services applications made, I need some application. For example, we can select IaaS server as the application. Okay. If
Yes.
that is there in that server, then we can select the option over here. You got it?
From where here in this select service option?
Select a service option.
So these are now the custom monitoring is default. These are the default, right?
Now, custom
Systems.
monitoring, leave it. Applications only we need to do. So, custom monitoring and all ping check, UDP check, TCP check, it's kind of, like checking something.
Mm.
So, here you have the option to services, right? So,
Mm.
you can give some display name and you need to specify some service name here. I must get test Windows. Oh, okay. One more thing we didn't power on because cloud proxy it's in down state. We power on. Without cloud proxy,
It's not
this
good.
won't come online. Okay. Where is my cloud proxy? Here it is. It will take less time only. Okay. Because that is the one who has to collect data here. Okay. Once like if you selected any of this collector service started, then whatever service like adding here, that will get reflected in the all object status. Okay. If you add Microsoft IaaS application, yes, that will get added over this global object category. Actual service. Services confirm. Still loading. Okay, it came online. Now let's try. Save.
Mm. So
It's already exists. Okay, so that's the reason it is saying. Okay, let's give a refresh. because we already created it, right, last time.
Mm.
Let's wait for the collector service. See, if you add any applications, that application will get reflected here.
Okay.
Okay. So here, Craig, Mike, see here, ping check. Okay,
Mm.
we added here for this one. Okay,
Mm.
here you can find the status, like it is working fine. Ping is working fine. No warning, no critical. Okay, look at the services option here. Okay, so it's not object type. It's set to collect. It seems like okay. There is no recommended option. So as of now, we added like two stuffs here. One is ping check. Another one is services. Okay.
Yes.
It's going to
So,
fetch the information from this particular crag mic 01. Okay, ping is working fine. Okay, ping is just like it's gathering information, that
mm.
is okay. But services like it's not gathering that much information. Just now we configured, right, because ping earlier itself I configured the ping option. Okay, but if you add any application, you have to come and check it here.
Okay. For
Okay,
example, IAS I will add means it will display here the performance.
as of
But
now for Windows, only thing that's what we know, right? IE is only.
mm,
There are other
IAS.